Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Eulie, and welcome to my second channel and to my first ever Vlogmas. As promised, for my Vlogmas, I'll be doing a drawing challenge, a art challenge that I need to do every day. So, sa ikakaalam ng lahat, I'm currently studying digital art. Wow! And our instructor, yung instructor namin, binigyan kami ng challenge every day na dapat daw kami mag-draw. So, ako naman, since digital art yung pinasukan ko, akala ko naman mag-draw kami sa drawing tablet. And hindi pala, dapat daw kami mag-draw analog style, which means that we need to draw using a paper, a pencil, and an eraser.
Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ako, ikaw ang unang makakita.
And for our first challenge, we need to draw a cat. The purpose daw is for us to study the shapes. Wow! And how are we gonna apply our approach? Or I think he's trying to say about how are we gonna apply our art style something? Try. May laway.
Nice!
And unfortunately, yung meron lang ako is pen. What? Umorder ako ng pencil, hindi pa siya dumating. And yeah, I'm gonna be using a pen while drawing a cat. I did it already earlier and it's not very pleasing. I'm embarrassed to show it to you guys, but I promise that I need to, share to you guys my output of the challenge. So here it is. Ito po yung first attempt ko. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Gamit yung ball pen. Matatakot talagang daga dito. So.
Nice!
Ito po yung second attempt ko.
What?
Kita nyo ba? Ito po yung second attempt ko. And so you guys, if you want to also do this challenge, you also do it analog style. Using a paper, a pencil, and an eraser, you can apply your own art. You prefer materials mo for as long as you do the challenge. I'm gonna be doing this challenge again, still using a pen since wala pa talaga akong lapis. Para to make it very interesting also, para makita ko din yung output nyo, share it on your Instagram story using a hashtag drawing challenge day 1. Again, hashtag drawing challenge day 1. For you also to get the chance to be featured on my next video. If you're new here on my YouTube channel, please consider on subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the notification bell para kapag may new video ako, ikaw yung unang makakita. So, yeah. See you guys in my next video. Bye!
Please consider on following my other social media accounts, and if you want to get a chance to be featured on my next video, please leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions, or take a screenshot of the video, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for supporting and watching my videos. See you guys on my next video. Bye sweetlings, stay safe and take care.